Contains 1 to 128 ounce bottle of EO conditioner, grapefruit and mint. This conditioner features our organic herbal blend, with aloe, chamomile, and calendula. Quinoa protein nurtures and strengthens hair while vegetable glycerin and coconut oil add natural shine and softness. We add vitamins E and B5 to repair and restore your hair's natural vitality. Awakening, bright grapefruit and sharp, cool peppermint. A perfect pairing of citrus and herbal, together at last. We created this uplifting blend of pure essential oils to help you rejuvenate and stimulate body and mind, anytime. Legacy makers. As makers, we have devoted over 25 years to the creation of top-quality, sustainable, and plant-based products that bring harmony to every wellness ritual. Artistry of scent. The rejuvenating scent of grapefruit mint pure essential oils keeps clients energized and refreshed after every workout. Connection is essential. Allow every cleanse to be a moment to regroup, recharge, and reconnect with yourself. Top reviews from the United States. Clean. My other shampoo helped me from not losing hair, but after a day my scalp felt oily. I've now used EO twice and it's sudsy nice, feels clean and my hair is staying cleaner for 2 days. So far, great. I had also bought EO antiperspirant and it also works great. Both are natural products, so I am pleased.